Thank you, Chairwoman Johnson, for holding today's hearing on extreme weather, an important topic within our committee's jurisdiction. Extreme weather events are of concern to us all. Regardless of what part of the country we represent, these events represent threats to lives, property, and often occur with little warning. The economic toll of extreme weather events across the nation is significant. The most recent National Climate Assessment stated 241 incidents with more than $1 billion of economic damage since 1980, including 14 such events in 2018 alone. I want to make my position clear. The climate is changing. Global industrial activity has played a role in this. The complex relationship between climate and weather is in need of continued research, and this committee has a responsibility to prioritize that research if we want America to be a global leader in this field. That should be the focus of today's hearing, not outright denial or finger-pointing on inaction. There are many components as we examine how best to research and respond to extreme weather, including how we help communities prepare for these events, how we improve our weather forecast, and how we communicate the possibility of an extreme weather event to our citizens. This committee has taken steps to help address these issues. The Weather Act, signed into law in 2017, directed NOAA to improve its tornado warning capacities and hurricane forecasting capacity, two of the most destructive types of extreme weather events. Additionally, the legislation required NOAA to perform an assessment of its practices on communicating extreme weather events to the public. NOAA has made progress in implementing these provisions in the last 2 years, but much work remains. A Weather Act reauthorization was signed into law in January. Included in the legislation was congressional authority of NOAA's Earth Prediction Innovation Center, commonly known as EPIC. This initiative will make the National Weather Service's numerical prediction models available to the academic community for crowdsourced forecasting on a larger scale, which in turn will help improve our national forecasting ability. Oklahoma is no stranger to extreme weather events. Whether it's an outbreak of tornadoes, severe droughts affecting our farmers and ranchers, or extended cold weather, we've seen it all. Thankfully, Oklahoma is home to one of the world's most renowned experts in the field of weather research and forecasting. The National Weather Center is located on the University of Oklahoma campus in Norman and houses federal, state, and university researchers in a collaborative environment. Among the federal offices in the Weather Center are NOAA's National Severe Storms Laboratory and Storm Prediction Centers. These offices are the leading edge of researching and forecasting the outbreak of extreme weather events across the country. Additionally, Oklahoma is home to the nation's premier weather mesonet. A mesonet is a series of small weather stations spread out across a large area which help monitor real-time conditions on the ground and provide citizens and forecasters with vital data. This data helps farmers determine the optimal time to plant and can alert emergency responders if conditions are ripe for developing a tornado. As this committee considers possible legislative initiatives based on today's hearing, we should look at the Oklahoma Mesonet as a model for how we can improve the forecasting and communication of severe weather events. Our panel of witnesses today bring diverse perspectives on researching all aspects of extreme weather events. I thank them for taking time to be here, and I look forward to a productive conversation on this important topic. And with that, I yield back, Madam Chair.